how to use ABC to crush your limiting beliefs. Now, the thing about limiting beliefs is that in most cases, they're situated in your subconscious mind. And your subconscious mind is the guardian to your reality. And that is because your subconscious mind affects your conscious mind, which then in turn affects your actions that you take at any given time. Limiting beliefs can prevent you from doing what you are capable of. And in almost all cases, limiting beliefs have been put in your mind through experiences you've had in your lifetime, things people have said to you, things that you've seen happen. And in a lot of cases, those limiting beliefs are actually not true and not factual. So what I'd like to do is I would like to present to you the concept of ABC, which will empower you to crush your limiting beliefs. So what does ABC stand for? A stands for awareness, B stands for breakdown, and C stands for change. So let's look at each one in detail. Let's look at awareness. Obviously, by practicing awareness, you have a better opportunity to identify the fact that something is blocking you from achieving what you want to achieve. Be it a goal, be it solving a problem that you're dealing with, or any life challenge. You just feel like something is blocking you. That is a sign that there is a limiting belief that is preventing you from breaking through. So the first thing is awareness. Practice awareness. Then the second one is B, breakdown. Now by breakdown, I mean you need to break down this limiting belief that you have identified so that you then have an opportunity to do something about it. And what you can do to break it down is ask yourself a couple of simple questions. And the first one is what I believe factually accurate? Is this belief in my best interest? And in most cases, it's not going to be, because it's a limiting belief. So it's limiting you from achieving something. Does it make my life easier or harder? Again, I can almost guarantee in most cases, it actually makes it harder. And does it give me what I want or what I don't want? By answering those questions, you will be able to identify the fact that this limiting belief, in the end, is not empowering you to achieve what you're capable of achieving. And then you come to the third step, which is change. That means you now have the opportunity to change this limiting belief to a belief that will actually empower you to achieve what you want to achieve. And the best way to do that is to say things that are opposite to that limiting belief. Have thoughts that are opposite to that limiting belief. So let me give you an example, and I'm almost certain this is one that you have come across in your life. Money is the root of all evil. Now think about it. Is that factually accurate? Quite simply, the answer is no. Money in itself is not the root of anything. It is merely a piece of paper with a value on it. When someone uses it for the wrong reason, does that make the money the root of the evil, or does it make the person the root of the evil? So in actual fact, money is not the root of anything. It all depends on what the person using the money does with it. You see, now that becomes a limiting belief, and we go through life not wanting to have a lot of money because we don't want to be evil. There are so many people who are extremely successful in multi who are not evil. Richard Branson, Bill Gates, Anthony Robbins. There's numerous people who are successful, extremely wealthy, and they are not evil. So money is not the root of all evil. So be sure to practice the ABC of crushing your limiting beliefs if you want to be able to achieve the life you desire. My tagline on my coaching website is "You were born to succeed," and that is a fact. We were all born with the ability to achieve anything we want in life. You need to want it badly enough, then you need to align your thoughts, your beliefs, your words, and your actions towards achieving the life that you desire. And you will absolutely achieve it.